Hey everyone, good to see you. Thanks for stopping by. Much appreciated. I'm Richie, and this is 6-String Fun. We're going to do another version of Silent Night, but we're going to kick it up just a little bit. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. We've done open chords before, G, D, and C. But we're going to just kind of play almost those same chords in a way, but we're going to just do a little finger style picking. Okay? And I am far from a finger picker, but we're going to give it a shot here. It just gives it a little bit more flavor if you're playing it, you know, whether campfire setting or just solo acoustic. And there's even a couple medley lines in there where and you'll hear it. So let's just take a closer look and see how we do. All right, so here we go. We're going to take more of a complicated approach to Silent Night. Not very complicated, but we're going to try to do a little bit more than just straight 3 chords. Even though the chords will be similar, we're just trying to give it a little bit more flavor, and we're going to attempt some finger picking. So we're not going to be using the pick, but I have to tell you, I am not a finger picker at all. I just kind of do what feels good. Usually my thumb is handling 6, 5, and 4, and then definitely the index finger for everything else. Maybe the middle finger. Not so much going on with the ring finger. So I'm not trained, and this probably isn't the way to teach somebody, but it's going to show you how I play this tune, and you can make it sound a little bit more than just standard chords. All right, but we're going to come in on this G chord, and I guess it's more like a G6 where I got the open E string. So if I'm playing a G, I'm taking my ring finger off of that first string, and I'm going to pinch the 2nd string and the 6th string. So I'm pinching, coming up the strings, and I'm hitting that open E. And then I'm going to go open B. So you can kind of hear the melody. Okay? Repeat it. Alright, so just a G, we're just accenting some of these notes here. And there's no right or wrong to what strings sound good to you when you're picking. This is not going to be a video where I'm telling you got to hit every string or what string not to hit. Listen to it and you make it your own. Now for the all is calm part, you can go to a D, but I like bringing it up here. Just like a C add 9, we're bringing it here. And I'm just picking and pinching certain strings. So I've got the 1st string and the 5th string bass. Right, you hear that? Here comes to the D. Right to a D. 2. So we went from a G and you're gonna have that open B string again. So altogether, that first little section. D. So that B string is your turnaround. Open B. To a C. So it's going to be a C chord, and I'm pinching the 2nd and the 5th string. And I'm just kind of picking random strings. And I'm going to put my pinky on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. And then we're going to do a little bit of a turnaround for 2nd on the 1st string. So it's really going to be, and then we're going to go to a 2 open. So it plays like this. Back to that G6. Repeat it. All right, and then we get to the Sleep in Heavenly Peace. Okay, back to this D shape. You know, the C add 9, but over here. And I don't know what chord this is, but this is what I hear. So it's kind of, and it's really going to be 8 on the first, 7th on the second, 5 on the third, and then that open D. So it is a D variation. So you're going to go from right, so let's get that together. And it's back to a G, but I do the voicing up here. Just to get a triad in there, so. So still a G. So it's really the G, but we're just changing the voicing. And it just repeats. So if we want to go through it one more time. We're going to repeat that. That C, back to the C, back to this D. It's probably the harder chord of this whole section. G. And a G triad D shape. D, G. D. So there you go. Another way to kind of play Silent Night if you want to kind of get out of those strumming regular chords. Fun one to play, okay? And if you know, campfire, party, I mean, your life at a party if you can pull this one off. All right? Merry Christmas. We will see you soon.